Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to be doing some spice rack organization, particularly a spice rack that goes on the kitchen counter. I purchased this tiered Lazy Susan at Target and I really loved it. When I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I also purchased these clear spice jars over on Amazon. I wanted something that was clear, a little more muted, because I don't like a lot of color on my counters. I really don't like a whole lot of things on my counters, but I felt like this could also serve as a really neat decorative piece if I went about it the right way. This jar set did come with labels as I showed you earlier, but I'm not going to be using them. I'm going to be creating my own labels. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this organization project.
This is a warning from the past.
What I'm going to do is pour the spice into the jar and then keep them paired until I make my labels. I feel like I could possibly forget what was in the jar, and I just really wanted to avoid that happening. Most of the spices that I'm putting into the jar are from the Dollar Tree. I am setting this up in my home in Texas. We decided not to rent this house out, so we will be going back and forth between Texas and Arizona, and so I wanted to be sure that I had all of my favorite spices here organized and ready to use.
Don't try to cover up your ways. In light of what you've seen so far, there are better ways. Throw preconceptions down the drain, 'cause this is your last chance. You should know. You should know. To go this time tomorrow, the future I will show.
I'm going to be using my own label machine to make labels for these spice jars. This is also something that I purchased on Amazon. This label machine is amazing. It uses Bluetooth technology, and that means you can use your cell phone to make labels. I don't have to have a printer, which I'm not home right now, so I was able to print labels out with no problem. It also uses thermal printing technology. That means that you never have to purchase ink. It's been a really nice addition to our home. My husband uses it all the time, so definitely something that I will link down below in case you're interested in this. It is not sponsored.
I've been running down the empty streets, blindfolded by misbeliefs. I've been back to where we met, all the moments and regrets. I've been searching empty alleys, called your name out in the prairies. The sunlight shades, but what remains is the shade of you. I gotta hold on. The memories are here, but you are gone. You say we're through, it's true, me and you.
It's now time to get these labels on, and I was wrestling with where I wanted to put these labels, either on the top of the jar or in the middle, and I realized that I wanted to put it somewhere where I could consistently put it in the same place. So I decided to go with putting it on the top, and I'm really glad that I made that decision.
Trying to forget your smile, our secrets, and your quirky style. The love that you surrender is the one thing I remember. You may not know I'm a believer, persistent like a fever. Those places where you try to hide, I promise I will try to find. I gotta hold on. Memories are near, but but you are gone. You say we're through, it's true, me and you. Your painful words distract the view. Don't you feel it too? In the search for you, I pursue. Maybe I can make a change and feel like I do. It's me and you. You know it's true. The search for you. Maybe you will never change.
Now going to put everything onto the Lazy Susan, and I really love the way this organization project turned out. It's something that I like looking at, so it doesn't really bother me that it's on my counter, and then I can use the cabinet space above for something else, and I'm just really excited with the way that this turned out. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about it. Really hope that this gave you some ideas on how to organize your spice rack if you do like to keep your spices on the counter. I will see you all in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.
Your painful words distract the view. Don't you feel it?